Good morning, everybody, to my fellow option traders. I'm going to point out to you again the call chart and the put chart. 99% of the people that trade options have never even seen one. A lot of them don't even know that they even existed. But what are they basing their trades on? Listen, here's an $1,830 put chart. Now, this is on Amazon. So we made a high right here at $24, and we did. Now, look at the chart here. The price is at $12. That means that the put chart's going straight down on the 1830 put. The high on Amazon today, the high on Amazon this morning, and right now it's 8:18 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, and this is live market hours. We can see how Amazon popped right up here. When Amazon hit that top, that's when this put chart of the 1830 put chart went down in value. Now, when we go back over here, which was on 9/9, this 1830 put chart went from $9 to $26. And that was the side of the market to be on. Now, from that peak yesterday, they brought it down, they popped it up right here. Now, the put chart's going down. The chart that I have over here is a 60-minute chart of Amazon on an hourly basis. That's what the chart is. Now, let me show you something else. Watch this. Here is the $1,805 call chart, and you could see today, or the first 2 hours, was the low was 17, the high was 26.45. So when Amazon here was breaking out in the first 2 hours, you could see here how that call chart peaked. And at the same time that this call chart was going up in value, you could see what happened to the 1830 put chart. So you learn how to be a market maker. That's who we are. We would love to empower you. We would love to show you things you haven't never seen, the mechanics of what goes on in the option pit with the market makers and the advantages they have and the disadvantages that option traders have. And 85% of them expire worthless. So when we were down here today, original low on Amazon got down to 17.95 right here in the stock price. And we made the high here. And we did at 1828. When that was going up that way, that put chart went straight down. And this call chart on the 1805 call, well, it had a real big move up. Let us empower you. Let us take you to the next level. You're going to learn how and why that your option trading is going to improve 100%, and it will. And that's why we're here. Take advantage of it. Learn the mechanics of things that the retail option trader does not know, and you don't. And so, once again, it's about the call charts, the put charts, along with the Amazon chart. Let's get you rolling today, and call us at 702 685 0772.